So in this video I'm gonna share with you how to set path for JDK. So first of all you have to download JDK from oracle.com, otherwise you can just search it in your browser, JDK download, then you can just simply download it. Then come to your main file, that's C, and go to program files. Then just search for Java and click on it, then click on bin file, and then you have to just copy its address, and after copying it, go to your search bar and search their system environment. Okay, so after opening it, go to environment variables, then click on path and just paste that bin link here, and after it all done, then click OK, and OK. That is it guys, now your JDK will work for sure.